ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮೈಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆನಂದ್ ಅಡಿಯರ್, ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್, ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಯೇಟ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚುಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್, BCom. ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಸೂರು. Session 7, Introduction, Meaning and Definition of Product. In this session, I am going to cover a recap of the previous session, learning objectives of the in this session, learning outcomes, introduction, meaning and definition of product, summary or conclusion, MCQs and references. Recap. We have discussed in the previous session about the functions of marketing. Learning objectives in this session to know the introduction, meaning and definition of product. Session outcomes. At the end, we'll get learners are known to the introduction, meaning and definition of product. Introduction. The product constitute an important element of the marketing program. Before making decisions about pricing, promotion and distribution programs, a business firm has to determine which product it will present to the target market. In other words, the study of marketing begins with deciding about the product to be produced. In fact, planning and development of the marketing mix always begins with the product concept. The success of marketing depends upon how effectively the product is marketed and how does it satisfy the desire of target market. As we know that a business firm several objectives, consumer satisfaction and profit maximization are the important objectives among them. The objectives of product maximization solely depends upon consumer satisfaction. The medium through which a firm attains these two objectives is through product only. In other words, the success of a firm is determined on the basis of how effectively it satisfies the wants of target market. What is product? Anything that can be marketed to gain attention from the society that has its own features, such as making it convenient, satisfactory, simple, portable, and has special physical benefits that can satisfy the customer needs. Functions of product. Here are mainly three functions: simplifying human everyday life, fulfilling the human needs and wants, proving that humans revolutionize in time. What is product concept? According to sources, uh, Theodore Levitt popularized the term product concept. According to him, the product concept refers to the you augmented product or the aggregate of satisfaction that has user to obtains. When a consumer buys a product, he not only buy a tangible or physical product but also by hopes, aspiration and satisfaction. For example, if a consumer buys a car, he expects a loan facilitates comfortable travel, comfort seating arrangement, trouble free journey, after sale service, insurance service, etc. Similarly, if a woman buys lipsticks, she does not buy a simple chemical compound. The purpose of buying the lipsticks is to beautify her lips. Therefore, the producer must remember that lipsticks is not merely a chemical compound but it is a beauty. Meaning of product. What is a product? Anything that can be offered to a market for attention, acquisition, use or consumption, and that might satisfy a want or need. It includes physical objects, service, events, persons, places, organization, ideas, or some combination thereof. Meaning and definition of product. Anything that possesses utilities is called a product. In other words, a product is a substance possessing economic value and offering desired satisfaction to the target market. A product can referred as a A set of tangible offering made available to the consumer to satisfy his or her needs. According to George Fisk, product is cluster of psychological satisfaction. According to W. Holdrens, a product is a bundle of utilities consisting of various features and accompanying services. According to Philip Kotler, a product is a bundle of physical services and symbolic particulars expected to the yield satisfaction or benefits to the buyers. Summary or conclusion. In the process of making and creating new products, marketers must be innovate and independent in making decisions to create the best product. As a result, for an advanced daily lifestyles, our true example is Apple company. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. The following is the preliminary stages of product planning. Answers are capacity planning, A, B, material requirements planning, C, scheduling, D, product development and design. Answer is D, product development and design. Question number 2. The following is the sources for developing new or improved product. Answers are A, research and development department of the enterprise, B, consumer suggestions and complaints, C, other competitive products in the market, D, all of the above. Answer is D, all of the above. Question number 3. Product cost can be reduced by considering the following aspects at the design stage. Answers are A, minimum number of operations, B, unnecessary a tight a tolerance should not be provided, C, design should consist of standard parts, D, all of the above. Answer is D, all of the above. Question number 4. The ultimate objectives of the product is, answers are to provide a new look, utilizing existing manpower, to monopolize the market, D, all of the above. Answer is C, to monopolize the market. Question number 5. Based on their field of application, manufactured goods can be classified as, answers are A, primary, secondary, tertiary, B, consumer, capital and defense, C, essential, market and standard, D, primary, luxury and consumer. Answer is B, consumer, capital and defense. Question number 6. The following respect of product is concerned with the essay and efficiency of the product performance. Answers are A, functional aspect, B, operational aspect, C, durability aspect, D, aesthetic aspect. Answer is A, functional aspect. Question number 7. The simplicity to operate and easy to understand a product is concerned with the following aspect. Answers are A, functional aspect, B, operational aspect, D, durability aspect, D, aesthetic aspect. Answer is A, functional aspect. References. The following mentioned the subject I refer to preparation of PPT. Thank you one and all.